In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice in ElevenLabs in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process will allow you to explore various voice options and customize your audio content precisely to your liking. Whether you're a content creator, someone preparing a presentation, or just interested in having some fun with voice changes, we're here to guide you. To get started, the first step is to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you regularly use. Once your browser is up and ready, head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you haven't already signed up for an account, take a moment to do that now, or simply log in if you're already a member. Having access to your account will enable you to explore all the resources ElevenLabs has to offer. Once logged in, navigate to the text-to-speech section on the website. This is where the magic happens. Pay attention to the right sidebar where you will find various configurations available. Under the Settings tab, you'll notice a section labeled Voice. Accompanying this is a drop-down menu that will be essential for our next steps. Click on this drop-down menu. Doing so will reveal the full range of the ElevenLabs voice library, an extensive collection curated to provide diverse options for all your voice-changing needs. Whether you're looking for an authoritative tone for a presentation or something playful for creative projects, this library should have you covered. After you've browsed through the options, choose the voice that best fits your requirements or piques your interest. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to click on Generate Speech. This function will take your input text and transform it using the selected voice, producing an audio version that matches your criteria. Now, take a moment to listen to the generated speech. Ensure the voice aligns with what you had in mind. This is your chance to evaluate whether the tone, pace, and clarity meet your expectations. If it's not quite right, don't hesitate to experiment with other voices until you find the perfect one that resonates with your content goals. Once you're satisfied with the audio, the final step is deciding what to do with it. Depending on your needs, you can either download the file directly to your device, or if you plan to share it with others, utilize the share function. This flexibility allows you to seamlessly integrate your audio into any professional or personal platform. And there you have it. Within just 5 minutes, you have successfully changed and customized your voice using ElevenLabs. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities and have fun experimenting with different voices to give your projects a unique edge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.